Hi guys, this is week three of me trading a $50,000 account. We are in a bit of drawdown, but we are hopeful that we'll bounce back very soon. So this week, let's look at which market we are going to be trading this week. We have USD, we have USD JPY, we have gold, and we have oil. So let's look at the analysis. What are we expecting to see before we react to the market? As you can see, we're creating lower low from higher low, higher low, higher low. Create a double top, came down, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. We refuse to create another lower low legs. Instead, we created double bottom. Now we at a high, we broke structure, so now the entire market is bullish. This is the 4 hours down frame. So now these three lines you see on my chart, this is previous day high, previous day low. So the market broke previous day high, so we expect the market to come and retest this level or resistance. You see, whenever we are above here, we are buying. Whenever we are above, we are buying. Whenever we are below, we are selling. Whenever we are below, we are selling. You check in the past. Whenever we are below, we are selling. So we expect, all we want to see is the market rejected from this place, coming back to create another higher low legs before we move to the upside. So we expect this market to do something like this: higher high, higher low, move to the upside. But either way, we will react to the market according to our price action. So we might not reach exactly to this high even here, and we move to the upside. Yeah. There's our technical analysis on USD. So we are waiting to move to the upside. Stop loss right below this low. We target the next high. So 1 to 3 is a good risk to reward trade. We move to USD JPY, the opposite of your USD. So if we are buying your USD, we expect to sell USD JPY. We create a price action: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. We broke. Instead of creating another higher low, instead we create a lower high. Now waiting for lower low to move to the downside. So we are waiting for this market to give us this. You see the market is coming now. We check from this resistance, we move to the downside. So this is our technical analysis on stop loss can right above the high. We target the next low, 1 to 4, or go from 1 to 3 or 1 to 2. Yeah, this is our technical analysis on USD JPY. This is the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, so we go to go. We see go. We are creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Instead of us creating higher high, we did what? We refused to take out this. We broke below here, one bearish, lower high, lower low, lower high, one above again, bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, one bearish here, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Instead of us creating another lower low, but we did, we refused to take out this low. Now we are the high, we broke structure, now we are bullish. So we have a higher high, we expect higher low, move to the upside. So we are waiting for gold right here to retest this high, stop loss right below this low. We target the next high, which is 1 or 3. Yeah. So this is what we're waiting for, to see on gold price to retest the neckline of this double bottom. I'll move to the upside. So we are patiently waiting for this. Today is Monday. So we go to US all. US all. This is the 4 hours time frame. US all. We did the analysis on the 1 day, but to make the video short, that's how we are uh, showing you price action on the 4 hours. So we see creating higher high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high. We broke below, went bearish, lower high, lower low. So created lower low legs. So creating another one, lower high legs, and move to the downside. That's all we're going to see on USO. So our entry will come here, stop loss above this high. We target the next one low, 1 to 2.5. That's a beautiful risk to reward. Yeah. So that's what we're waiting to see on USO. So USO we are selling, gold we are buying, USD JPY we are selling, your USD we are buying. So right now the market is it's not moving because it's 1 o'clock. So we're waiting for London session. 2 hours from now will be London session. If we can get it pushed to the downside, reject from here, don't move to the upside. Yeah, I'll update you guys when we get our entry. Okay, so for now, we sit on our hands and wait for the market to come to us. That's how we do. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to trade update. On Monday, was it Monday or Sunday? Sunday I did a pre-market analysis and what I was expecting the market. And for all of the market we analyzed, thank God we got trade on USD JPY. Okay. So during a week started from here, it was Monday here. So we got break of structure right here. Lower high, lower low, lower high. We shifted structure from here. We tap buying our supply zone. But the market went bullish from right here. So I may be a bullish from right here and we are bearish. So what we expect to see, we expect the market to go bearish before we take a trade, right? Yeah, so the market tap into our supply and we got a reaction engulfing. If this market was not going to shift bullish from here, I'm going to sell from right here, but we shifted bullish. So we have to wait for the market to go bearish before we sell. So market broke structure to the upside here, tap into our supply again. Now we broke down we broke structure, changing the market structure from bullish to bearish. And now we have a supply here that caused this change of character. And we tap into our supply, we swap liquidity, and now we are massively dropping to the downside. Yeah, we are in profit, we are up something. Yeah, we are up 1,100, almost 1,200. Yes, we were down, like we were trading $50,000 account, but now we were down. We're coming back from drawdown. Yeah, we'll bounce back. Yeah, but right now we are up 1,200. Yeah, $1,185. Yeah, the other market we're looking at is Europe USD. We wanted to buy Europe USD from down here. We wanted to buy Euro USD from here because this origin caused the change of character, but the market never reached here. Or rather, we reacted from here. Why? Because if you go on the 30 minutes, I missed this trade. If you go on the 30 minutes, the market will broke structure from here, and this block caused the break of structure. So the market came and reacted from here and gave a massive push to the upside. So if we're going to take this trade from this engulfing here, stop loss come below, and we go for 1 to 2. Yeah, right here, 1 to 2, we're going to hit 1 to 2 easily because our stop loss below here. After this engulfing. Yeah, but we never took this trade, but we are also in trade tango. And I'm looking at gold. If I was not going to take USD JPY, I was going to take gold. Gold also beautiful. Gold tap into this origin that caused the break of structure. Now I'm moving to the upside. We're about to break above here because during the week, gold caused this place, this block. This block caused the break of structure. This block caused a break of structure, right? This block, break of structure, pull back into it, swap liquidity, boom, move to the upside. When bullish, actually this no was to be here. If this block, if the market was going to close below here, yeah, right here, then we went bearish. So after the market tapped into it, boom, massive impulsive move, and it left us over a supply zone. The market came, it never tapped into our supply zone, but rather what the market did, the market will reacted from this gap, this fair value gap. The market reacted from the fair value gap, push to the upside. So today now, which is Thursday, after I saw this block now, let me remove this block. Let me remove this because I'm not in this trade. This block, it was 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning, I saw this. It was beautiful. This block caused the break of structure. Caused this break of structure. I saw it was beautiful. I was looking at this as well. So I say, if we tap into this place, we'll have a trade, and we got a rejection from there. So our entry was going to be right from this rejection. Stop loss come below this place. Below this place, we aim for 102. And so our trade was going to be running right now. We're going to be massively in profit, like USD JPY, but we can't expose ourselves to more risks in the market. So we take the trade that best suits our interest single, right? So now we are also waiting for USO. USO will give us trade. If not, we are not forcing. We have to wait for the market to come to us. You see, like here, the market broke structure from here, broke structure, pull back in, but the market never tapped into our supply. The market left us hanging. So we remove this, and we come to this one. This block caused this break of structure. So this is our supply zone. What the market did, the market tapped into it and hit our and close this gap. This gap, yeah. The market tap into that gap, and if we're active, let me see when this happened. It happened 9 o'clock. We're going to take this trade right after this rejection. Stop loss come right above here, and we aim for 102. Oh, what's happening to my? Then we aim for 102. Yeah, 102.5. Ooh. So we were not active that time, and now we have this break of structure right now. This block. Actually, let me see. Let me refine this block. Let me go to the 1 hour. Let me refine this block. Yeah, this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this block caused this break of structure to the downside. So we expect our market to do what? Tap into this place, sweep this liquidity from above here. I think you can see a set of alarm right above this resting liquidity. Once we can sweep this, boom, rejection, bearish engulfing, we'll take for 1 to 2. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye on USO. So for now, we focus on USD JPY. USD JPY was giving us our massive profit for the week. That's beautiful. All glory to God. So before we close for today, before we stop, before we do the next market update, we are currently up 1-3. Yes, that's beautiful. Yeah, so we keep holding till we can hit full take profit. Okay, guys, see you in the next market update. Let's go to the gym now and get some gains. Yeah. Okay, what's the time? As you can see, 9 minutes after 7. We are currently in another trade, but let me update you guys on USD JPY trade. We closed USD JPY. We closed USD JPY because when the trade came at our take profit, we had impulsive move like this engulfing. We closed our profit at $1,057. Yeah, $1,057. We closed UJ. But actually it was to make more because of the pullback. Yeah, but thank God we took another trade on GBP where we saw this opportunity and we utilized the opportunity. Wow. I think we have a news right now. Okay, actual forecast, they are the same, so trade is balanced. We'll keep holding. Let me explain the idea behind this trade. The same trade idea behind USD JPY. This was the last structure that broke to the downside, and we closed above it, gave us change of character. We have our demand zone. This demand zone caused the break of structure, and we had liquidity resting below. So after the liquidity was swept and tapped into our zone, we had engulfing. After this engulfing candlestick, we took our entry. Boom, we're heading to the upside. We are going for 1 to 2, but just in case the momentum keep going to the upside, we will keep holding. So right now we are up. We are up $1,195 on GBP JPY. Okay, let's check for USO, USD. USD already make the move. Go actually pull back, but we expected something though, like reaction from that same zone. We are not interested. The only trade we are interested in again is USO. USO have not yet mitigated our supply zone, so we are waiting for this to be mitigated. Then we exit our trade. No, we enter our trade. Yeah. So for now, We hold on to GBP JPY. Yeah, 4 TP. Yeah. So within the next 2 hours, I'll update you guys. For now, before we go, 1,666, $1,166. Okay. Welcome back to trade update. Oh, it's after 12, 5 minutes, 5 minutes after 12. Saturday, the market about to close. As you can see, we closed GBP JPY around this line. Yeah, I was thinking I felt we were going to have a deeper pullback, and it was on Thursday we took this trade. Before move to the upside, but no, trade stop and continue the move. It was, if we're going to hold this trade, we're going to have 1 to 3. We close around this line. So the trade close, we close the trade. We end up taking the trade and close $1,043 from that trade. And I look at Euro USD. We took a trade on Euro USD today, and I think you can see, guys, it hit our stop loss. We lost 600. We lost 600. Let me show it to you guys. Oh, yes, we lost $662 on USD. So our account balance now, we started the account with, account this week with 46,000, I think 400. So we up 49,000. Yeah, so that's good. Okay, the same idea behind all of the trade we took. It's just like the market do what you want to do. So we'll look at USO. USO never reached our entry zone, so we never took the trade. Yeah, so far so good. So right now we're just waiting for next week. Yeah, next week, so we can execute some beautiful trade next week. Yeah, that's it, guys, for today's. For this week episode. It's week one, episode one of me trading $50,000 account. Yeah, I want to document everything so to see how far I've come. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Yeah.